Hi guys. Before we get into this YouTube video, I do want to point out a couple of things. First things first, it is Wednesday, November 17th. I should be posting this on Friday, November 19th. I did record this on October 18th. That is whenever I got my phone. Ever since then, I've been wanting to edit it. Haven't been knowing what I've been wanting to do with my YouTube channel. Kind of deleted off all my old videos on my YouTube channel, and we're now here starting something new, actually putting a lot of work and a lot of genuine effort. So we're going to be seeing a plethora of things. Like, I won't have, like, a genuine style on, like, what I want to do, because I generally do not know what I want to do with my channel and what style I want to do. If it's, like, funny or if it's aesthetic-y, or you know what I'm saying? So I do want to apologize if the video is a lot jumpy, messy. I am still, like, a beginner editor. Yes, I use Final Cut Pro, which is a very expensive-ass editing program. Yes, I am, and am I gonna get my money's worth? Yes, I am. So I do apologize if the video is messy, choppy, not funny, not aesthetic enough. I am doing my best, so I apologize for the lame attempt of this YouTube video. But you did click on this video either to see me or to see a very jacky ass iPhone 13 unboxing. So I'll let you get to it. Thank you, Anne. Okay, intermediate. Okay. Oh, did I give you guys enough screen time, Sophia and Alondra? I'm gonna assume not, so let me introduce y'all. This right here is Sophia with a pretty nice white teeth. Good thing looks are good for her, because she's some dumbass bitch with thick-ass eyebrows. I'm just kidding. She has a nice ass, too.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I fucking lie?
Right over to her left, that is Alondra, one of the most beautiful haired ass bitches I've ever met. Not only that, good thing she has good looks for her too, because even though she is beautiful, she is fucking dumb.
I am so powerful. My mind, it amazes me sometimes.
because long term it can like
What did you ask about? Like, what is the concern?